and your body will move. Yeah, like you can. After that, slowly up your arm. Move. Yes, and move your feet. East. Yes, and slowly up. East. Very good. Continue slowly up. Move your feet. Push. Slowly up. Push. Yeah. Slowly up. Push. You can look at the mirror. Through mirror, you can see me. Yes. You can see me. How I practice. You start in here. And yeah, continue practice. This we call down push. When you this one, the last one you finish, you put your feet in front of body. East. After that, back natural standing. The third one they call the Yema Fencer. The old friend know this. Very slowly. First, you hold like hold the ball. Like hold the ball, you know that. Like this, like hold the ball. Move your feet like hold the ball. Yes, like hold the ball. Yes. And after that, push. Yes. Come back. And after that, hold the ball again. Here. After that, push. Come back. Hold the ball. Very good. Continue. Push. Come back. Move your body. Yeah.